Hi. Okay, for part 4, in the previous lesson we already have learned 5 steps to prepare the statements of bank reconciliation. In this final lesson, we will learn how to prepare appropriate adjusting entries. Okay, let's start. Firstly, draw the format of general ledger on a piece of paper. Write down the date, debit, and credit column. Then, let's look at the statement of bank reconciliation that we had prepared in previous lesson. Okay, to make it easy, put the statement of bank reconciliation and the format of general ledger side by side like this. Now, let's ignore the part of bank statement and focus on the part of cash book balance. Debit bank and the credit all the items that need to be added to cash book balance separately. For example, debit bank 270 ringgit Malaysia. Credit for dividend revenue is 270. Don't forget to write down the explanatory. That is, to record adjustment of cash receipt. Okay, next, credit bank and debit all the items that need to be deducted from the cash book balance separately. For example, debit purchase 450 ringgit. Good. And then bank, write it down in the credit column 450 ringgit. Next, account receivable 360 ringgit. And bank 360 ringgit in credit column. Good. We move to debit rental 500 ringgit, credit bank 500 ringgit. And the last one, bank charge 20 ringgit and credit bank 20 ringgit. Okay, again, don't forget the explanatory, that is to record adjustment of cash payment. Okay, here you go. You have completed your general ledger with appropriate adjusting entries. That's all for this final part. Before we end, here are a few exercises.